to another video, guys. And before you watch this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when we're uploading new ones. And yeah, today I'm gonna be unboxing my Dollar Tree stuff. And yeah, here. Okay, let's do the crayons. Can't hold on, guys. Okay, got all the crayons, guys. Here we go. Now I got this. Now I'm gonna turn to one page of it and then test it out. Okay. Okay. I did 3 colors so far. Now let's do this color. You may not see it. Yeah. Okay, now let's do the green. Let's do the pink. Let's do purple. And the last one, it will be our black. Right in the corner. Okay. It's so sparkly, guys. It's so sparkly right here. And that's our crayons, so let's put these back. Hold on, guys. Okay. After this, guys, I am going to do the next one. Sorry, am I taking forever, guys? Okay, got that. Now the next is scented erasers. Oh yeah. Let's put this out of the way. Got this. Now let's open them. Okay, the strawberry is here. It smells really good. Blueberry smells good. And then the purple one smells good. And yeah, let's clean up this. Clean it up. There we go. Let's put those to the side, and now we'll move on to the next thing. Okay, next thing is these white erasers. Now we're gonna open them. Hold this. Okay, guys, having some problems because I can't hold it. It's hard to hold it and video at the same time. Now I got that. Just wait in here and then it should. Okay. Almost got it, guys. They're in packages, guys, so yeah, let's open the packages. Okay. Packages. Open them. Okay, this is what they look like. I can open it later, so yeah. Next one, we have the doggy set. Now let's put it down, and I'm gonna open. Whoa! It just burst like that. Okay, this is what the dog looks like. Woof, woof. And then there's these two bones, and we have this dish. So I guess I put the bones in here. Okay, got the bones. I can play pretend. Whoop, whoop. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And yeah, okay. No pencil grips, and I'm gonna get a pencil right here. Right here now. Okay, and I'm still opening, guys. I'm still opening it. Okay, I got all the pencil grips out. Right here. They're pretty squishy, to be honest. Okay, now let me put it on here, guys. Okay, got it. So it feels loose, but it's okay. Now let's try writing it on a notebook. Come on, this notebook. I am going to draw a lightning bolt. Not the best lightning bolt, okay? Okay, perfect. It's not bad actually. And then we have these scented gel pens. And yeah, so let's get open.